Welcome to my home lab. In this new video, we continue with ComfyUI. We create a first workflow and I explain the interface. First thing we do is to log in at Fedora. Click on it, password. Enter. Now we logged in. We go to terminal. We go to directory ComfyUI, enter. Now we activate the virtual environment, enter. You see it here, V and V. And we start the main Python to activate ComfyUI. See, everything is running. The server is available on 127.0.0.1 port 818080. We go to the browser here, and if we start ComfyUI the first time, we have the default workflow. You see it here. All of these things are nodes. This is load checkpoint, that's the model. A positive prompt, a negative prompt, an empty image. Here we select the width and the height, the key sampler, the seed. What we do every time we generate an image, you can change that randomize, increment, decrement, or fixed. The steps, the lower steps is much quicker, but the image is not so good. The CFG, sampler name, sender, and denoise. We talk about it later in another video. Then we have the decode and the save image. See also you have the manager. You remember last video. We click on it. Here we can do many things, especially update. Update all, update ComfyUI, fetch updates. It's important to do that once or twice a week. Close it. Here we have workflow. That's a workflow. Can create new. We open a saved one. We have also 4 templates. This one is the default. If we click here, that's the one. We can also save, save as, and export. Edit, undo, redo, clear the workflow, help. Here we have 3 websites to go help. That's one workflow. We queue. Here come the generated images. Here we have the node library. So all these things, you see, utils, we have 4. Sampling, you see, example, K sampler, that's this one. See, we have also advanced. The next thing is the models, checkpoints, LoRa's, but for now we don't have. And here are the workflows. We have here one workflow, and that's this one. If we save more, the list continue. we go here, we can dark mode or white mode. Settings, here. The other side, you can zoom in, zoom out, fit, select mode, like now, or pan mode, just to move. Tool the wires, on or off, on, on. The manager, I talked to you already. Here you have to install things. That's for later. Here, better close it. Here you have the log file, on, off. That's the same we can see in the terminal. That's this one. And hide or show the menu. You can also go back to select mode. You have the right button, add node, add group, node templates, search mode, different modes. See it here. Select. And if we select a mode, you can move it. Here, resize it, only in the right lower corner. If we click on the right button, we have all the options from this node. Title, the border, resize, collapse, pin. Example, you can give that a color, green. The node have a color. We do that here. Color. For the negative prompt, red, like that. Then we have here we create an image. Here we tell how much images we create. See, 4, 8, now 1. Here, cancel current run. So if you're busy, stop it and clear pending tasks. All this busy, you stop it. If we want to create a first image, we click on Q and we see we have an error. Something is missing. We need a model to do that. Copy that, close it, and go to the website Hugging Faces. Here we paste the name of the model, enter, and you see we have different possibilities. We choose the one from ComfyUI, click on it, files and versions. This is the one we need. Download it. See, it's busy. I have downloaded it already. So now we go to File Manager, Downloads. See, is this one here. This one is busy now, but we need this one. We go again to File Manager, ComfyUI, Models, Checkpoints. You have to put it here. This one, copy it. Okay. Models, checkpoints, paste. The model is in the right directory here. We can close that. We go back to the server. You see now it's green and it's running. Now we here. Take little time because the video card in this computer is not so good. It's only 4 gig memory. All done. Now we go to decode and we have our first image. If we go here, open it, you see the image, we can look at it, and that's the image is created. This model, this positive prompt, this negative prompt. It's a 512 512 image. Now we look where we can find it. We go to the file manager, ComfyUI, and we go to output. Click on it. Here we have the image. Et voila. We have our first image. This was it for this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up so you don't miss any new content. Thank you very much and see you later.